This demonstration shows how to convert an Excel file containing a small sample of real estate data into a CSV file and then import that CSV file into a SQL database. The purpose of this exercise is to illustrate a common data migration and integration process used in real estate analytics and database management. By converting the Excel file to CSV format, the data becomes easier to load into SQL tables, enabling efficient storage, querying, and reporting. The first step is to properly format and organize your Excel file. This includes structuring the columns, standardizing column headers, adjusting column widths, and validating the data in each row to ensure accuracy, consistency, and readability. Once completed, the data should be cleaned and aligned with the required format to improve usability and prepare the file for reporting, analysis, or import into another system, such as a database. Once the data has been cleaned and formatted, save the file as a CSV, comma-separated values file. The CSV format is widely supported and serves as an efficient bridge between Excel and SQL databases. Consider saving your file in a dedicated folder with a clear and descriptive name. Organizing your files in a consistent location will make them easier to find, manage, and update when needed. Using a well-structured folder system can also help prevent misplaced files and improve efficiency when working on future projects or sharing files with others. Next, proceed with importing the CSV file into SQL. Right-click the database, then click Import Flat File. You will see SQL Server Import and Export Wizard. Before you begin, make sure the CSV file is closed in Excel or any other application. If the file is open, SQL may not be able to access or import it successfully. Closing the CSV file beforehand helps prevent file access conflicts and ensures a smooth import process. Review the column mappings carefully to ensure that each source column is matched to the correct destination column. Once you have verified that the mappings are accurate, click Next to continue with the import process. Click Next to review the summary and confirm that all settings and configurations are correct. Once you are satisfied with the import details, click Finish, then click Close. SQL Server will automatically create the destination table and import the data from your Excel or CSV file based on the column structure provided during the import process. Once the import is complete, you can review the newly created table to verify that the data has been imported correctly. SQL Server will map the columns and populate the table with the corresponding records, making the data ready for querying, reporting, and analysis.
Provide your feedback on
To view the imported records, open a new query window and run the following SQL statement. Select * from DBO, Real Estate. This query retrieves all records from the real estate table, allowing you to verify that the data was imported successfully. Review the results to ensure that the rows and columns have been populated correctly and that the data appears as expected. This helps ensure data quality and can prevent potential issues later when running queries, generating reports, or performing data analysis.
This guide demonstrated how to prepare a real estate data set in Excel by organizing columns, standardizing headers, validating data, and ensuring consistency before saving the file as a CSV. After selecting a memorable file location, the CSV file was imported into SQL Server using the import wizard. Before importing, the CSV file was closed to prevent access conflicts. Column mappings were reviewed, import settings were verified, and the process was completed. SQL Server automatically created the real estate table and imported the data. Finally, the imported records were validated using a SQL query, and the project was saved as an SQL file for future use, reporting, and database management.